Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Huawei Freebuds Pro 4. Should you go for the previous generation or this new one? I'll be doing a detailed comparison of the design, noise cancellation, and sound quality, call performance, latency, and features. The outer packaging looks much more premium now. When you open the box, we see that the Pro 4 still uses the same mold as the previous generation. However, there's now a gold ring around the lid, charging port, and earbud stems. And the logo on the back has been replaced with a ceramic panel. The matte texture not only improves the feel, but also helps reduce scratches to some extent. The earbud stems now feature the Huawei sound logo and have a pattern that resembles sheet music, adding a nice touch of texture. In terms of accessories, it comes with 6 pairs of ear tips. Both the design and the accessories show that the Huawei has put in some serious effort this time. The surprises Huawei has for us don't stop there. Let's talk about the hardware. The self-developed L2HC 4.0 codec has upgraded the transmission bitrate from 1.5 Mbps to 2.3 Mbps. This means that Huawei has not only met the requirements for Super CD lossless sound quality, but it also leads the way in terms of transmission volume among many audio codecs. The downside is that this codec is currently only supported on some Huawei devices. The noise cancellation peak, 50 decibels, the average depth, 29 decibels, the frequency range is 3500 Hz. When it comes to noise cancellation, the Pro 3 was already excellent among flagship models. Based on our test data and user experience, the noise cancellation on this generation is almost identical to the Pro 3. So, if the noise cancellation on your Pro 3 is already good enough, I don't think there is a strong need to upgrade to the Generation 4. When it comes to sound, although the frequency response curve hasn't changed much, there isn't really a significant improvement either. It still follows the same pop-oriented tuning style as the previous generation, with a slightly boosted treble and bass. The sound quality is excellent, with outstanding clarity and a rich presentation of details. Both the bass and treble perform really well, offering a transparent and powerful sound. The only downside is that the mids, especially vocals, are a bit on the thinner side. This time, there are also 2 new tuning options by a central audio master, which are great for listening to classical music and large orchestral pieces. I will save the audio testing for the end, so you can experience it for yourself. Huawei's call microphone has always been a leader in the industry, and the Pro 3 already has strong call noise cancellation. However, the call noise cancellation on this generation is next level. Huawei has introduced bidirectional quiet call technology, which supports the elimination of up to 100 decibels of background noise during calls. This means that even if you are in a concert or in a karaoke bar, the other person will still be able to hear you clearly. Using the latency test software, we have measured the delay data for the Freebuds Pro 4. In normal mode, the single link delay is 300 milliseconds. When you switch to game mode, it can go down to 100 milliseconds on the Huawei devices. Even on non-Huawei phones, it is around 130 milliseconds. For general gaming and media consumption, this is more than enough. Here are the results for specific devices. This generation of Huawei Freebuds Pro 4 introduces many smart features such as the star flash precise positioning, which is within 50 meters, the Xiaoyi Smart Voice Assistant, face-to-face translation, and simultaneous interpretation. However, these features are only supported on certain Huawei devices. Overall, the improvements in the Freebuds Pro 4 are mainly in the appearance, transmission bitrate, call noise cancellation, and some self-developed smart features. Again, there haven't been significant improvements in noise cancellation and sound quality. In my opinion, at this point, the Pro 3, which is now priced lower, offers better value for money. But if you are not concerned about the price and want more advanced call noise cancellation, and a smarter user experience, then the Pro 4 is definitely a solid choice. That being said, due to the ecosystem limitations of the Pro 4, those using phones from other brands may want to think twice before making the purchase. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.